We came out to see our great blizzard. Not a whole lot of blizzard, but enough to keep us inside for a little while. So I just thought I'd show it to you. No metal detecting today. A pretty good bit of snow. We got a board gone on our bridge here. We got to do some maintenance. What are you doing? You videoing me, videoing you? There may be an inch of snow up here. That's it. But it's still pretty. Huh? Everybody else is spread out. Most kids are playing basketball in the gym. You can't climb that. Come on. Okay, you climb that. And I'll get you down when I get back. Yo, come on, look at the falls. It's pretty cold. It's in the 20s. We weren't expected to get a lot of snow, but when you're south of the Mason-Dixon and they say it's going to snow, everybody goes in freak out mode. A little bit of water running over. I found horseshoes and axe heads and everything else in these creeks before. Lots of bullets and bullet casings. Freezing? Yes, sir. I'm a cold little brother. Alright, that's it. We'll go find us another spot in a little while, and if it turns out nice, we'll show it to you. If not, thank you for watching. We're not going up there today. Absolutely not.
Did you pause it?
You what?
Did you pause it?
No, grasshopper. We're not going up there. You're not. Oh, hang on. Let's go see the other spot. I'm following you. Okay, I thought we were leaving. He wants to see the other spot. We're not. We'll go this way. Let's don't take a chance on falling in. It'll be a little on the cold side. Geronimo, come on. Oh, cool. Look at the ice on the end of the branches. Look at these icicles. No, you can't get one of those. There's still a little snow coming down. Not a lot, though. Some. No, you can't. It is so cold out here. Alright, I'm going to pause and grab him an icicle. Alright, we're done right here right now. Pretty neat though, isn't it? Alright, thank y'all for watching, unless I come back with something else in a minute. One more look at the old icicles. Those are beautiful, aren't they? Isn't that neat? I think so. Thanks for watching.